All right, happy Tuesday, everyone. I know we ain't celebrating Taco Tuesday. Never got my formal invite, but we did make it Cash Flow Tuesday. Okay, so I'm really excited about this video that you're gonna watch. Interact with me actually doing the live day trade. You can kind of see today was really groundwork, foundational, good trade day. Okay, it's one of the most profitable days, but it really has some really good bones to it. And you get a chance to see how it's interacting with the market, kind of get some ideas of why I interacted with the market the way I did. So it was only a few trades, but we got in there and made it very profitable. It was really good. I'm hot. Woo! Very hot. But nevertheless, listen, I love it. I hope you really enjoyed this video also. All right, talk to you guys later and watch this here. Last night's session looked like it was just kind of shooting up and going long. So right now, I believe that we are having probably another correction here. So it may not stay going short, but we'll see here. But there may be an opportunity for us to take some money off this correction leg. So let's go short. Yeah, right here. There we go. All right. Think we could get a few dollars here. It's kind of hovering around that pivot point. Look like there's been a lot of pressure to try to pass it, so it may put us in the area where we can take a few dollars off the top of this correction leg. Let's get out. There we go. So we got $100. 6:32 in the morning. All right. We up $100 in our account. There we go. See, it's shooting. There's like a mid-range that looks like the market's trying to get to. Okay, so now that it looks like it's done with the correction going down, look like we might be going back into trend. So you know what, I'm just going to take this long trade now. Let me get in there. There we go. There we go. Like it's struggling. We might be getting into a chop zone where we might be ranging, playing within the range. Usually that's what I see when that happens. Oh, look at that. I'm trying to see if we can go ahead and get over that $100 mark, and then we'll just exit the trade. Let's see. There we go. Push a little bit more. And let's go. Let's get out. Got a little slippage. But we up 190 right now. Not bad. You know, it's only 6:35 in the morning, right? So kind of skeptical because the way it was playing around that pivot point, it looked like we might play within a range here. So wait a minute. So I'm noticing here my clock is missing. We've been playing this range here for a little while, and I want you to be able to see the clock like usual. There we go. So let's put that in place real quick. Okay, there we go. That's better. All right. All right. Cool. So now you can see the time, real time. Okay, so it's just not me calling out time there. You can actually see it. I told you I kind of felt kind of weird about that range that we were playing in, and looked like there was some truth to my theory there. So there's two things. If you're a really new beginner, I would say stay away from this until you actually get the trend. But if you've been around the block a little while, then you know that the best way to attack this particular market is if you basically just come in there and just scalp your way through, you know, to get a few dollars. Okay, so click over here, open this out so I can really see it. There. Okay. Yeah. So this is actually becoming a very significant pivot point. It may want to shoot down a little bit lower. I'm not for sure. But again, I think, you know, it's going to try to test that last high again before we can determine that we might go in the opposite direction. There we go. You see how it shot up just like that? Okay. So let me go. Let's go in. We're just going for a few dollars. That's it. There we go. Let's go. Perfect. So we had 245. All right. Again, 6:47 in the morning. Okay. Now that I minimize that. Let's go long. One last time. Come on, just a couple of dollars. All right, let's get out. There we go. So we ended the day at 270. Let's go to sim account. Perfect. It is 6:58 in the morning. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I really hope that you found a lot of value in this video, okay? If that being said, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel where you can stay up to date with all the tips and videos and information we'll put out on YouTube, okay? So please subscribe to our channel. We'll really appreciate it. Not only that, if you want to get our Coffee and Profits daily reports, our profit pivot points, all these little cool tips to get you prepared for the trade day before the trade day actually starts, please join us at migsuite.com/profit. Okay, go there, subscribe. It's completely free. I want you to be successful in the markets, you know. So listen here, I only have one other thing to say to you guys, and it's I see you at the bank. Bye bye.